Welcome back to the channel, everybody. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw pictures from whenever I first put the lowering springs on the Civic. Today, I'm gonna show you around. So there she is, everybody. The springs that I ended up going with are 10th gen Eibach Sportline springs. I believe the actual drop is 1.2 inches in the front and 1.5 in the rear. I'll put a screenshot of the part number down below so you guys can see it. But point of this video is just to give you guys some looks as far as how the fitment is if you wanted to recreate it yourself. And then I'm going to show you some driving impressions. I'm going to put the GoPro on the outside of the vehicle, on the front and on the back. I'm going to go over some lower speed stuff, some higher speed stuff, so you can see how it fits. This is definitely not one of the lowest setups out there. If you want to go even lower, D2s are the way to go. I personally wanted something just a little bit lower than stock, but not too crazy. So that's the reason I went with the Eibach. But that's how it looks. As far as my wheels, I know I've answered this a few times, but these are 19 by 8, actually 19 by 8.5 with a plus 35 offset. And the tires, I'm running 245s 35s. So if you like this look, you like the setup, you want to replicate it, there she is. All right, with that being said, let's get in it, let's drive it so you can see how the suspension moves around. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I just wanted to get some quick shots of what the car looked like with the lowering springs and with the wheels, more than just the pictures that I took for Instagram a couple of weeks ago. If you're not following me on Instagram, by the way, follow me, Royman_YT. And also, like I mentioned in my last video, this is the very last video on this Civic. I was able to get a Civic Si, an orange Civic Si. I'm actually going to pick it up this weekend. So this is it for the Sport. I do have to say I'm very thankful for this car and what it's allowed me to do as far as growing this YouTube channel and this audience of like-minded individuals that are watching me now. So I always knew going into it that this was going to be a temporary vehicle. I never wanted to own long-term an automatic car. I came from manual transmissions before, and I've been dying to get back into a manual transmission. So yeah, that's going to be the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for supporting the channel for as long as you have, and catch you guys in the next one.